Alright everyone, and welcome back to another video. And today we have another accessory for the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. Okay, so we got another case here for everyone. In particular, we have another full protective case, and we're getting into the slightly more expensive options because this case and the other case that I have to take a look at and some of the other cases that I have coming in are slightly more expensive than the first two cases that I've reviewed so far. So I don't know how it worked out that way, but somehow I ended up looking at these cases in least expensive to most expensive order. I had no intention of doing that, but it kind of just happened. But let's get into this unboxing and first impressions nevertheless. So today, what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the, and I hope I don't mess this up, the WATEFULL full protective case for the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. Alright? Now starting off, let's talk about the overall packaging and presentation. And I have to say, WATEFULL, yes. WATEFULL, WATEFULL, okay? WATEFULL. I like your packaging. I like your design. Very minimalistic, very straightforward, but, and y'all know what I'm gonna say, you're selling a product for one device, but you're also advertising for your other devices? Come on now. I mean, advertising is advertising, but come on now. You're selling a case for an Android device, but you're advertising your cases for your iPhones. It is what it is. Advertising is advertising, but it's kind of distasteful to me. But overall, I do like the overall packaging. Very minimal, very straightforward. Let's crack into this. Let's go. So it looks like it opens up here. Good, so I don't have to really cut anything. And then it slides out. So very easy to open. Put this off to the side over here. And then we got our insert. Let's take our insert out. Put that over to the side. And let's check this out. So very nice matte material on the inside. Shock absorption material on the inside right there. Right? And ooh, looks like we got camera lens protection covers. Yeah. So you do have a protective cover for your camera lenses. So when you're not taking pictures or what have you, get that maximum protection and close that. Alright. Or you can open that up when you need to take pictures. And then, ooh, really nice ruggedized material right here. I'm liking these bars. Now, it feels aluminum, but I feel like it may be plastic. And ooh, does it have a kickstand? It does. So we have a nice integrated kickstand here. And ooh, this feels kind of flimsy. Yeah, that build quality is not the best there. Why does that feel so flimsy? Oh, this is supposed to be a magnet. Okay, so if you have a car mount that's magnetized, this is a magnet car mount right here, right? And yeah, even still, you would want that to be less flimsy if that's supposed to be magnetized. I mean, look how loose that is. Alright, so the build quality on this one is not the best. But talking about the overall first impressions of the look, I like it. It looks pretty good. Now this one does come in a variety of different colors. Alright, so this is the green, the light green, but it also comes in blue, black, white, a dark like military green, a red, a pink, a sky blue. I probably should have went with the sky blue. It also comes in a navy blue. Ooh, that navy blue does look good. I should have probably went with the navy blue. And yeah, so it comes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 colors. But this is the light green. And overall, I have to say it looks good. Now, green is not my favorite color, but it does look good. Very ruggedized, very minimalistic. Feels like when I put this on my device, I'm going to have maximum protection here. So let's do that. Let's put this on my device. Let me see, where's my microfiber cleaning cloth? Got my device off camera here. Here's the A54 5G. Okay, let's wipe them down. Alright, and let's put them on. See how easy this is to put on, okay? So you slot it in there, and you just push. Okay, okay, and in it goes. Alright. Okay, let me see how easy it is to take off while we're here. Okay, okay, so it's not bad. A little bit of a struggle to take off. Really easy to put on. Alright, not bad. And I do have a screen protector on my device. You can see the case is screen protector friendly. So no lifting, no bubbling. Okay, not bad at all. Let me take my microfiber cleaning cloth out of here. We don't need this anymore. And boom, there it is. Let me get this off the table too. I hate leaving trash on the table, especially while I'm recording. But here it is. Now, first impressions of the case on the device. Ooh, this looks really good. Now it does add a substantial amount of weight to the device. Now without a case, the device feels kind of light and is very slippery. But with this on, it's nice and weighty. And you get, oh yeah, you get the nice matte sides with a nice matte texture. And this does look really good. And now my cameras are fully protected, and then when I need to take pictures, boom. And then when I'm done, boom, and it clicks. It has a nice locking mechanism. So it clicks in and out. Good stuff there. And, oh, let's check these buttons. Yes, super clicky buttons. So still got maximum responsiveness and maximum functionality. And again, in terms of the screen protector, no issues. Alright, and then yeah, we have our integrated kickstand. Now this kickstand is kind of loose, kind of scared about that, but we do have our integrated kickstand. So if I wanted to like take a video call or watch YouTube or stream some media, like maybe if I'm in the kitchen and I'm cooking and I want to do a follow along, this kickstand is quite nice. Alright, so good stuff there. And then you can also, okay, this one not so much, but you can kind of use these kickstands if they got the punch through as kind of a extra hold point for your finger. But this one not so much because it's kind of big. Yeah. And then as I said, this part also in the back is supposed to be a magnet. Now I don't have a magnetic car mount, but if you did, this should magnetize to it. And again, be careful because I don't like how flimsy this is. I feel like this may pop off over time. But first impressions of the WATEFULL full protective case for the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, I have to say it's really good. It's really good indeed. Really good indeed. Now, one more thing I want to check, because I do this off camera, but y'all know I record content. So let's see if this case will work in my smartphone mount. The other case, the carbon fiber case did, but the other rugged case did not. Let me check this. Ooh, yeah, so this is a no-no. It's not gonna work here. Let's see. Oh yeah, no, it's not gonna work here. Okay, so that means when I want to record content and have that extra reassurance, I will have to take it out of the case. So it's not gonna work with my smartphone mounts. But other than that, it seems like a really good overall solid protective case. And that pretty much does it for this unboxing and first impressions. Now I'm gonna use this case for about a week, and I'm gonna come back and let you guys and gals know how I feel about it. Alright? So that does it for this video here today, everyone. Now, that being said, if you guys and gals enjoyed this video, y'all know what to do. Please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. If you would like to see more content like this, also feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it, or follow me across all the social media platforms. I'll always link up my social medias down below. This way you're guaranteed to be notified when I publish new videos. That being said, if this video piqued your interest and you would like to know where you can pick up any of the featured content in the video, whether it be the case, the device, or the recommended cases and screen protectors, all the recommended accessories and the device will be linked up down below in the video description. And also down below in the video description will be all of my extended coverage on the device and its accessories. Now, I do have to say this. Down below in the video description will contain affiliated buy links. And as the name implies, when you use those links, I will get a small percentage of kickback that I do put back into the channel, but that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So in my opinion, that makes it a win-win for everyone. So down below in the video description will truly be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. This whole video here today has been recorded with the primary rear-facing camera on the S20 in 720p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. Okay, so please let me know what you think of the overall video quality. Please let me know what you think of the overall audio quality. And I am using my professional studio lights here today, so please let me know what you think of the lighting as well. All your feedback, as always, is greatly appreciated, and that's how I make improvements to the channel, and that's also how I decide what to bring into the channel. So as always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated, and remember to keep it respectful, please. We're all grown-ups. We should be able to respectfully share our opinions down below in the comments. Alright? So, I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there. And I will catch everyone in the next video. We are out of here. Have a good one, everybody. Peace.